Hi guys, how una dey? This is another latest. I carry myself come today. Yeah. Okay. You see the back here and the front. This is the back and this is the front. So I'm using net. Yes. No, as in the vein that you normally use on your wedding day. That type vein. So that is what I'm using. Yes. And you can see how beautiful it is. So I just cut it into two. I've used the first one to wrap the head, and see the second one, you will tie it at the back. So you tie it, but then now tie it together, you will get it like this. Yes. So now rolling the first hand. After rolling the first hand, yeah, then this one, this is the second. Now this is the second hand. Yeah, keep putting it. This is how you will be doing it. Yeah, this is how you'll be doing it. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. Yeah, if today is your first time seeing my video, please guys follow me on my Facebook page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share for people to learn. This is what we can do. We can do it by ourselves. Yes. We can do it by ourselves. Hey guys, see how beautiful it is. Yes. Yeah. See it now. So I'm just trying to bring it out little from that place. Yeah. Even if you like, you can use your hand to bring it out very well. Yes. You bring it out very. Look at the back also. I see the front. You may want to shift it to the front. So see it now. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.